गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। आज के एजेंडा के हिसाब से अभी हम आप लोगों के परमिशन से सेक्रेटरी साहब से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि गो थ्रू टुडे एजेंडा। थैंक यू।
Good evening, gentlemen. I welcome you all to this special general body meeting being convened to open the tenders received from the builders towards our redevelopment. We have called this emergency special general body meeting to open the tenders to maintain complete transparency so that every one of you is aware what is happening. The MC could have done this. What we wanted to ensure your active participation in this meeting. You yourself take stock of the situation, whatever we have today. The builders' apps are available. So if you permit, these tenders will be opened. Before that, we need to come to a unanimous consent whether we can go ahead with this tender opening or not. I urge all of you to come up, say either yes if you are agreeing or say no if you don't agree. The majority is authority. The majority will be taken into consideration with the due regards to the people or the members who are opposing it. So, before we proceed further, I would request all the bidders to come and sign their envelopes. So tomorrow they should not say, there's something, somebody. No, I'll come to you. I've still not started, please. I have not started meeting, no. He has already started, okay. Okay. Now, you, please listen, I will answer to his queries. Mr. Michael, all your questions, your queries, stand as irrelevant, since irrelevant and null and void. The reason being, you ask me what the reason, I'll tell you. No, you cannot ask me because you are lost the authority to ask me question by virtue of writing to Deputy Registrar whatever you wanted to convey to AGM or SGM, you already conveyed to the higher authority. So your question, remains, stands null and void. You cannot question. You could have questioned it if you are not if you were not to forward that letter to Deputy Registrar. Now तीर कमान से निकल चुका है. You have no right to argue on this or to ask questions. It's being recorded. Don't worry. It's being recorded. In this, you cannot ask a question because you have crossed the Lakshman Rekha. You are already gone to higher authorities. Now we will answer to higher authorities as and when it comes to us. Is everybody in agreement with me? No, that you are already returned to Deputy Registrar, so your reservations stand null and void, Mr. Michael. No. Please, you are free. No, we can always adjourn it by a half an hour as per the acts, bylaws, anything. We are not committing any crime. We are maintaining transparency. I have read bylaws. You read it and tell me. You read it and tell me. हाँ क्या है? Will be adjourned to 6 p.m. on the same day.
Did you adjourn? Were you here at 5:30? Did you adjourn?
What?
That is the first violation.
Okay. your violations, I am telling you, your violations stand null and void. Since you have already written a letter to higher authority, you cannot do any, you can't even speak anything against this. ठीक है, we will welcome, we will represent the court, we will say whatever is to be told in court, we will do that. As usual, you have always been putting a spoke for SGM, for AGM, you go running to courts. ठीक है, it is your choice, you are well within rights, we are not opposing it, but please, there whatever number of people are sitting here is the majority which will be authority. You can express your consent or whatever, dissent, whatever you want to call. Please do that. But do not jeopardize the meeting just for sake of it. Now what you want, tell me, what you want,
Now the second violation is, as per bylaw 96, it's supposed to give 5 days notice.
Okay. Read bylaws 99. Read bylaws 99. Read, I'll tell you what is written. I'll read it. Now we'll go only as per the. No, sir.
99. Read completely.
Just you. Both is being recorded.
I'm recording. Read complete 99.
If the committee unanimously decides to call a special general body meeting
Said 99.
at a shorter notice for which the meeting is called shall be communicated, the reason for emergency for which the meeting is being called shall be communicated in writing to all the members within 2 days of such meeting.
Did anybody get
Emergency, no. Emergency is to be called by this thing. This is special general. Please do not interpret. There is nothing like emergency in this. You might interpret anything.
It is fine. You can go ahead.
I will.
your ways.
No. I will just. No. I will just tell you. We had a meeting on 22nd of March under agenda to convene emergency SGM on 29/3/2025 to open the tenders received from the builders for redevelopment and to declare and publish the list of the received tenders and to create website for the same to maintain transparency. Now what is wrong in it if MC decides to call an emergency meeting? This bylaws never say it is to be mentioned as emergency. Please do not interpret as per your.
It is okay. I have expressed. I have said it's a violation.
ठीक है, you.
Get it on record.
Wha-
See what I
what?
said in the court.
I've told you once you have written to Deputy Registrar, you have lost your relevance at all. You are a member, but as a member, what was your duty? To come here first. If your complaints were not heard or they were not recorded, then you should have gone to Deputy Registrar. You have just ran,
Last 10 years I have seen it. Okay. I know how much you can answer my questions.
I need not to answer. You are not my headmaster. Neither you are owner of the society. Jalvayu is not Michael and Michael is not Jalvayu. Please mind your words. I am not your personal servant. So you cannot. You have been talking whatever, but we will not take it lying down because you are not my headmaster. Please, I am just doing a social service. That's it. Especially to you, I am not your personal servant or a slave to keep listening to you. So I read out the agenda.
I have expressed 2 violations so far.
You have been doing only that. You can do nothing better than that. You have been doing that for past 10 years, 15 years.
It is my right to express. And
Please express. Please express. We reply in the proper forum. Okay, I will just read out the agenda. The agenda for today's meeting is to open the tenders received from the bidders for redevelopment and to declare and publish the list of received tenders and to create website for the same. Now, before we proceed further,
Please say what is the quorum, what is your quorum, and then you
1 minute. This agenda was on 5th January, point number 4. Okay. You have already taken a decision on this.
no, it has not been taken. You are the person, you told you call a special general body meeting again, come back to us. If all of you were here, what did he say? What did he say? बोलता है इसको छोड़िए, you come back with a fresh notice. We all will meet and decide. This is your word, not mine.
It is my word, no doubt.
हाँ.
I'm talking about 5th January, I was not here. Okay?
हाँ.
5th January, I was not here.
So?
You have point number 4 on the agenda for opening the tenders.
Okay.
You have already taken this point on the agenda and on the meeting. It's already.
So that becomes a Bible that you cannot change that agenda. It cannot be changed.
Please read the bylaw properly, then you understand whether you can do, you can't do, you can adjourn.
Now you tell me what can we do? What? No, no. Then-
I'm not the headmaster to tell you.
So you are not headmaster. Certainly you are not my boss.
I am not going to.
So don't behave like a boss. Don't direct us.
It is already on the agenda.
If we are wrong, we will reply to the proper forum.
It is already on the agenda. You can't bring it again on the agenda.
Why? Why? If the decision, ठीक है, you keep recording violations. You are master in that, so please keep doing it. We are not denying. Please keep recording. We are not stopping you. You have been doing as usual. This is not first time. This is, I think, 10th time you have tried to disturb the AGM/SGM by going to cooperative court, running to deputy registrar, to registrar of societies, to everyone out there. So you are well within your rights, and we are well within our rights to conduct meeting.
Time is running out, please.
Okay. Now, before we proceed further, Mr. Sethi. Hello. All of you, are you willing to open these tenders? Please give your consent by raising your hands. आप सबको ये टेंडर खुलवाने नहीं खुलवाने, प्लीज रेज आपके अपने हाथ उठाइए, बताइए करना है कि नहीं करना है.
आप उठाओ ना सभी कमेटी मेंबर्स.
जो बोलता है कि नहीं करना है, देख पूरा रिकॉर्ड किया, हाथ उठाइए अपने अपने. जो चाहते हैं कि टेंडर खोले जाएं, हाथ उठाइए. रिकॉर्डेड. अब जो नहीं चाहते कि टेंडर खोले जाएं, वो हाथ उठा दीजिए. जो नहीं चाहते कि टेंडर
व्हाट इज दिस?
नहीं खोले जाएं, नहीं, आपने तो उठा दिया ना एक बार. क्या हमारा, आप क्या बोल, नहीं चाहते खुलने टेंडर हैं? विच प्रोसीजर? अरे आप छोड़िए, लीजिए सेकेंडरी, इसको आप चाहते हैं टेंडर खुलेंगे ना, लीजिए सेकेंडरी पार्ट. सो देयर इज ओनली वन जेंटलमैन, only one. You don't want tenders to be opened? Okay. 2. Just record it. Only 2 members. नाम लिख लेना उनके, कौन कौन है.
जितने लोगों ने हाथ उठाया, नाम लिखा है.
सबके नाम लिखे हुए हैं यहाँ पे. We will write -2. All -2. Everybody has given their consent. Now, before we proceed further, my request to the builders reps is whether you have understood our requirements in the existing conditions wherein our land title is not very clear. Are you aware of it? बिल्डर के रह पाए उनको, नॉट यू, बिल्डर्स. Okay. So, lease, I'm talking about lease. Have you read our tenders between the lines and submitted an offer? Are you agreeing for it? Tomorrow please do not come up कि नहीं हमें ये नहीं पता था, हमें वो नहीं पता था. Again we are telling you the lease is very very clearly defined. Our tender document clearly states the existing position of our lease. So we want to listen from you that are you agreeing for it? So please, अरे mic दो. Please introduce yourself.
We agree.
Yeah, please tell your company's name.
Malpani Group, Pratik
Okay.
Vaksavre, Business Development.
Okay, so you are willing?
Yeah.
Okay. Same?
Ankur Sheth,
Yes, from House of Hiranandani.
Okay.
We agree with the lease extension clause that is
You are from
mentioned.
House of Irandani?
Yeah.
Okay. But you haven't given your consent. You have not, we have asked you a consent. We have asked a consent. No, already nahi. We have further asked for a consent. Reassuring that, that we haven't received any sort of communication from your office.
That bit has gone to our promoters. Once they give a go ahead on that, we shall issue it.
But this is now, we need to open the tenders. When will that come?
So once, it's.
So this
beyond
is,
an
something like violation of what we have asked you. We should have answered on that.
I mean, it's your decision.
But why they have not now communicated to us? No, how can there be a comparison once he has not given consent? How do we open his tenders? Go out of? No, merit tomorrow he will claim. If he happens to be L1, then he will claim. No, PMC will speak. I'll give you a chance.
Basically, I think you have read the tender conditions. You have acknowledged the tender conditions. The tenders clearly stated that the lease has to be done and the demarcation has to be done. It was also discussed during the pre-bid. Okay, and I think you have officially submitted the tender document acknowledging the same. So the tender conditions, so you are agreeing to all the tender conditions. That is only the clarity that we want to.
You are not confirmed.
We have submitted the tender which.
Absolutely. So so whatever conditions have been mentioned in the tender document, you are agreeing to that. Perfect. So he has read
If
the
the condition is not specifically mentioned by them, then what happens?
It is mentioned.
If in case it is not mentioned, then what happens?
But it is mentioned in the tender document, sir. That is
In
lease.
case it is not there, because they have not replied us, so we don't know.
Can you just clarify whether if the lease is not done, you will get the lease done as well as the demarcation done?
Check. Check में आया क्या? This is paid by check, by check.
EMD अंदर रहेगा मेरे को नहीं पता.
EMD नहीं. The cost of this thing.
Sir, let him understand. Let him reply. Why are we debating? Ankur, there is one question. Okay, there is a condition mentioned in the tender document that a lease deal has to be done by the selected developer. The demarcation has to be done by the selected developer before signing of the development agreement.
There is no subject to it. There is nothing like subject. There is no condition as such.
See, now to be very precise, we have written an email to all the 4 developers. 2 developers or 3 developers have confirmed us that they will be getting the lease deal done and the demarcation done before signing of the any document. So we just wanted a confirmation from your end also. Yes, officially it is.
Officially, we have submitted the tender.
So whatever conditions are there in the tender, you are agreeing to only those conditions, right?
Absolutely.
ठीक है, अगर वो tender
It's agreed in the tender.
He is agreeing. अगर नहीं लिखा है तो he is not agreeing. Simple.
So I think we are going ahead of ourselves in this particular stage.
शेट्टी साहब,
Let the
टेंडर
tenders get
कंडीशन
open.
था, वो बोल रहे हैं अगर टेंडर में लिखा है और अगर हम लोगों ने साइन करके सबमिट किया है, वी आर एग्रिंग. अगर वो नहीं लिखा रहेगा, ही इज नॉट एग्रिंग. Sir, that was a condition in the tender. Sir, who said? Please come ahead and raise me the question. Come ahead, please. Please don't stand at the back and raise me the question in the front. आइए ना सर, आप मेरे को सवाल पूछे, मैं जवाब देता हूँ. डेवलपर
Ask me a question.
You have a question. I don't have a question.
My first question is, sorry. My first question is, the question is because you say when you are asked to submit, when we were asked to submit tender applications, date of 25th. Understood, no? The clear date was 25th. See, we want, why we made compulsory in the tender notification, the lawyer is sitting here, to pay by draft. Why pay by draft? For the clarification of the date only, there is no other reasons. I can give a check, listen to me, I can give a check, pre-dated, okay? So that's why I say we are not against that, but why it is not clarified, whether you have collected the form in time or not, that is not clear to us. After that, extension of date was requested. When he has not collected in time, extension was date requested. That also, MC did not give extension for your request. That could have been done, it is not done.
Sir, are you talking about
that is a past history, okay. Now see, when we are going for the renewal, understood, no, renewal is a condition for redevelopment. That is what he is objecting. Mr. Michael is not against redevelopment. He has put number of this one, mail, in that he has confirmed redevelopment. Michael has confirmed redevelopment support. Once Michael has confirmed support, I don't think that he will have an objection for this meeting. He is asking for procedure. In the procedure, then we advise the MC, don't open the tender, ask for the builder code letter bhejo, that is advice of the lawyer. And it is sent to all the builders. Tomorrow they should not come with a confrontation of, if the things goes, we can't see. Understand what happens tomorrow, we are not very real about that, but we are trying for 100%. So in the 100%, if there is any 1% slip, we don't want the builder to challenge us as a society. This is a very poor society, plus ex-serviceman society. So we wanted PMC as a coordinator for us, officially is our coordinator. He may be paid by the builder after. Understood?
No.
Listen to me. This is the rule.
Developer is not going to pay me anything. It is a society who is paying me. You have been appointed by me. You have appointed me. Developer is not going to pay me.
Same.
Why is it one and the same? It is not one and the same. Is the developer paying me or
I am very clear with the payment of the PMC. PMC payment comes through society.
So you say
received from the builder. Okay, listen. This is clarity I have given. Now after that, this is what I am trying to tell.
You are all here.
So,
Everyone has
give
such a view.
clarification. Give an undertaking. Why you are not given
You
undertaking?
keep quiet. You give your own opinion.
Say now, say this is what is happening.
You take
When
your
we are
opinion.
telling there are
But you
certain
can't
spoilers,
talk about
they will not allow us to
Everyone
speak.
is here to
Now
give
see,
opinion.
Mr.
I will
Aviraj,
decide.
you should have given undertaking once other builders have given.
Not only Shakti and Michael will say and we will follow.
Say.
They are one of the members. We are also members.
Say, listen to me. Now you have sent timely mail to the people, to all the builders. This is the situation we could not get the renewal done in time. And the PMC has promised us to have a renewal, get it done through the CEO. He wanted to arrange the meeting. Honestly, that did not take place. That is done now. Somehow it is going on. So now, specific is very simple.
I think
say mail is, listen to me.
I think you are
PMC.
talking beyond the agenda. Today's agenda
So,
is of the
for the agenda only. Now
So
say,
where is the
now,
matter of CEO coming and you understand
no,
meeting?
that is the information.
Talk about the agenda.
Agenda is very clear, PMC. One-sided decision cannot be. You are a PMC for me. You support me. What is the system? Let us not compromise the system. Now the system is what? We have sent a mail to you. We have sent a mail to you. You should have sent a mail to us of confirmation saying that we are agreeing. We are agreeing. Simple. You can clarify with the lawyer also.
Your point is they should agree. Second is what?
They should agree. They should have agreed before coming to the meeting.
एक तो ये दूसरा क्या चेक वाला कुछ issue है ना?
Check all issues, see, check is what you know. The last date was decided 25th. He knows about that.
Is any banker here? Is any banker here in this committee, in this meeting? कोई बैंक वाला who is aware of banks? What is manager's check means? Is it check or DD? Can anybody clarify? I think the manager check is supposed to be treated as DD because manager is issuing it, not the individual. Am I?
So I am not clear about that. I want to clarify on this.
No.
Because
Is
I do
okay?
not,
Is a manager's check? I think it is.
I
supposed
do
to
not
be-
know what is manager's check, what is a check. Because it is as new information to me. Yeah.
See, is a DD. No, it was manager's
Can you give me
check.
the photograph of your
It
check?
was manager's check. It still
Share with
copy can be.
my management. No, that's management should have no. If it is with the PMC, let the management have that.
No, the bank.
Management is not able to produce that check.
There are three things.
Manager is not able to produce the check.
There are three things. One is pay order, second is demand draft, the third is manager's check. All three are there, I think.
Yeah. Srivastav,
Pay order.
Srivastav, we have a complaint against
order,
you
what is
for
pay
the
order?
things. Don't
Pay
provoke
order.
us. Understood? No. Do not provoke us.
Is different banks using different terminology to.
You should have put it in your advertisement.
What?
You should have done it in your advertisement. But when you know the
Arey, you got the money, no? You got the money in that. So,
question of money, you can rob the bank and bring money into the society. It's not the question.
Say what you are telling Arpit. Arpit, we are not against to builder. Arpit,
if you transfer
we are not
by,
against the builder.
by
We want good
sort of,
builders.
whatever
if you are really ask me,
NEFT.
up to 18th there was no good builder. Then we collected the ad, started communicating to the good builders. After 18th.
20-30 years back.
In fact, we communicated to Godrej, communicated to Tata, communicated to you people.
Why do you?
Understood, no?
why do
We are not
so
against
many
you.
by-
We want to
online?
avoid the
Why don't you
problem.
check? So it is- No, if it is manager's check, DD. So how does it make difference? Okay, बैठिए. I'll just. Manager check is what I have found out from manager. He said it's by manager's check. Manager check is at par with DD. Yes. Honored.
What it says in the advertisement.
Samir, you are against everything. We are not even talking about the manager, sir. We are talking about the date of the check, which you know, that's contained in the tender, clearly shows up the DD. Okay. We are there to manage for the manager's check. It was not required. Why they have done that? It has to be cleared, no?
Okay. चलिए सुनिए लेट्स नॉट हरी अप एक मिनट हो गया मिस्टर सुधीर वी विल क्लैरिफाई दिस अब बैठिए
Because we want to be transparent.
we will
We want both the builders. There is no issue with that.
Sir,
ओके नाउ
Majority नहीं है BMC you have to work for the.
सुनिए अरे आई विल गिव यू सॉल्यूशन प्लीज बैठिए
That's why we are.
अरे मिस्टर सुधीर बैठिए ना आई विल गिव यू सॉल्यूशन टू इट
Master planning.
हाउस ऑफ मैसर्स हाउस ऑफ हिरण्नानी सुनिए मैसर हाउस ऑफ हिरण्नानी प्लीज नोट योर चेक और मैनेजर्स चेक और डीडी will be reaffirmed by us. We will just find out what was that. It was a DD or manager's check or a pay order. If there are three anything out of three will be accepted. Okay? It was no. Okay, we will ask that. वो कहाँ लिखा था तुमने क्या लिखा था कहीं कि ये क्या है चेक है डीडी है क्या है लिखा है क्या तुमने कहीं कहाँ लिखा है लेके आओ जल्दी लेके आओ नहीं manager check is a similar thing like DD like pay order it is all the same let's not no it still can be written taken from bank there is nothing it's not that one the second thing is please if you want your tenders to be considered give us a message House of Hirannani one is this we need to clarify this second is you need to give us a reconfirmation that you are willing to abide by whatever terms and conditions. You need to reconfirm because others have reconfirmed. So our sincere request to you is please reconfirm it. You send a mail tomorrow. If you fail to do so, then we will be forced to to keep your tender aside.
No, it will be going down. Nothing else.
What is the objection?
Down. His objection noted.
Noted. ठीक है. That is
Objection noted.
लिखिए.
His objection noted.
So, can we clarify, can he submit it tomorrow? Can we give him time? Okay. है कहीं? उसका ये नहीं लिया था आपने, फोटो नहीं लिया था उसका? How do you know this check or cash? It was first line or second line? How do you know it is a first check or DD or first line, second line or third line? Okay. Now this, we will not hide anything. This is written as check here. So written check. सुनिए, it can be if it is manager's check, it still could have been considered if it is a manager's check then.
Should have been written manager's check. But again, if you look at the advertisement, there is no question.
Okay. So we withdraw it from bank. We just take a copy from bank under RTI whatever. If it is manager's check, is that okay or not okay?
First and the foremost thing, I want to express my objection about it. One of the reasons is you have advertised for demand draft and the other one is what?
सर फटाफट मेजॉरिटी में ले लो ऑब्जेक्शन हर एक पॉइंट पे आता रहेगा 10 बजे तक मीटिंग चलेगी
This is a dangerous
not at all.
observation.
all decisions in
Let them take decision. I am not worried. I am expressing my.
so you raise your objection
Now,
You also you have been telling lies to the print. Whatever is said, check it. What you say, the lease is not over. It is for next 30 years.
okay. Now you are from? ए बेटा बीच का मतलब निरंजन निरंजनी अपना इस पे साइन करिए छोड़ भी एक सेकंड हाँ बोलिए
When I gone through the list, there are two developers or builders who are given check. Okay. As per me, both are ineligible because they have not fulfilled the requirement as mentioned in the advertisement.
agreed हाँ that is another check here it is another one check जो भी that is he is not quoted on it
I am saying अगर इसने चेक किया है और उसका टेंडर आया है तो you open it or not the general body's call
that AGM will decide what is to be done.
फर्स्टली एक मीटिंग कंडक्ट करते वक्त आप ऐसा करना जिनको ऑब्जेक्शन है ऑब्जेक्शन आने दो ऑल डिसीजन विल बी टेकन
This is the copy of a DD that we have submitted. I hope this is agreed. It's on demand.
देखिए
On demand.
on demand it is a
On
DD
demand. It's a DD.
mention DD
It is a DD.
नो डीडी ये अंदर का है दे आर सेइंग व्हाइल कलेक्टिंग ऑफ द टेंडर डॉक्यूमेंट यू हैव सबमिटेड चेक
Must be towards.
now just for your please pay attention see the EMD has been submitted for rupees 15 lakhs by DD demand draft or of ICICI Bank. Now what do you say?
My mistake. The whole process of them become null and void because they have not fulfilled the requirement what is given in the advertisement.
What requirement is it? बताइए ना what is the requirement?
You know it. You have previously
So DD is
advertised
there,
it.
no?
Your name is there, secretary.
So the DD is there.
It is 15 lakh you asked for it for tender document.
No tender document is. We ask for EMD.
Please, I am talking about tender document.
सिंपल है उसका ऑब्जेक्शन अंकुर their objection is 25,000 has been paid in check now if you are paying check then
If they've deposited it, then it's accepted. If it is not deposited, then it's a violation. Simple.
सर 25,000 का जो चेक आया वो डिपॉजिट किया है बैंक में पैसा आ गया है बैंक में
Then it's finished. Matter is over.
what difference and
Matter is over.
Now
हाँ एक सेकंड और सर ये डीडी है वो क्यों बोल रहे चेक है 25,000 का
बीच में आया था रूमर्स के टेंडर डॉक्यूमेंट सस्पेंड होना चाहिए हु आस्क्ड फॉर दैट एंड व्हाई
ये किसका है?
इनका
ये
सर I think you need to check it is
DD.
You are basically for redevelopment. Leave us for
एक मिनट let me say that. Now even for tender document here to Powai Jalwai Vihar again there is DD for 25,000 rupees. देख लीजिए just one.
about two, there are checks which you have accepted.
ना this is DD देख लीजिए ना account what is the date? What is the date? Show me what is the date?
Check wala offer
21st.
So secretary is confirmed, that's more than enough for us.
21st
What
October.
I want to say is, you are in authority, you can take any decision.
No, we will not take any decision which is not.
I will not stop you, but I contest everything that you do wrong.
Will you tell me now? He has submitted.
You said, I can't teach you
Now
because
this-
I'm not the headmaster.
Now this needs to be established. Now he says it's a DD for both 15 lakhs as well as 25,000.
I'm asking you to go ahead, but anything that is out of
What is out? If he has given DD, he is producing it. Where is the question of
I'm
going out?
asking you for two. There are two who have given check.
Two.
Yeah, two of them.
But have they submitted the tender?
The other one is not submitted. That is ruled out. The other one is ruled out because he is not quoted only. So that is not there. We can't.
No, but the question is, what I want to ask you, how did you accept when you have asked for it, PD or pay order or whatever it is? How did you accept check?
See, generally EMD is asked by DD. The cost of tender can be anything. They can even, they can take it by other means also. What do you say? Legal view. And this, he is showing that it is by check, now by cash, sorry, by DD. Here, Abhi now tell me, I should take this as an authenticated one or this as an authenticated one?
It should have not moved to the second step because you should have removed those two names earlier itself, saying that these are submitted by check, so we do not accept and we are not taking the.
ऐसा we have not said anything like this. Where is that mentioned? Ki we have said like this?
Listen, you will take.
Okay.
Fine, please.
Now-
See, I'm not stopping you. Please do what you feel
Okay.
right. I have nothing to say.
So we
but
need to
I will
establish,
challenge.
by check or DD. They claim it is by DD.
We have heard, you take decision.
So that we have put the condition before them. No. No.
When you had an MC meeting, you should have discussed this in your MC meeting instead of taking it on record, and then you should have brought it.
अरे ये this what should we have taken? क्या?
Serious offense क्या है? I am expressing my opinion, dissent, and
Okay.
objection.
ठीक है. This is, is sort of reservations are recorded. You see? No, it's recorded. No. We recorded the reservation that we will find out. We establish if it is a DD, then nothing to state.
First you
Not by. We will inquire from the bank.
Look at it. We have the four.
Sir, please. अभी यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Let me tell you. Please don't mind. There are two voices coming to suppress each other. Please do not do this. SDM is sitting here. They will decide. Not you or not you will decide.
Very right.
Am I right? So please be seated. Nothing illegal will be done. That is my assurance to you. Nothing illegal will be done. Understood? Agreed? Okay. Please be seated. Now, all of you please sign. Have you written your name? Is bound sealed? Bound sealed, right? Bound sealed. Please sign it. You also.
And two of the members also request them to sign it with a
Yeah,
flat
all
number.
will sign.
Yeah.
Or even
Even-
SCM can sign.
Two members sign
Or
it
your
with a,
rep also might
no,
sign.
I will not sign. Two members request two members to sign
Please sign.
and acknowledge that it is not tampered.
All. Because tomorrow you should not say कि ऐसा कर दिया वैसा कर दिया. You did this, you did that. Your request will be honored. Whatever is right will be done. No wrong will be done. No wrong will be done. No wrong will be done.
That is the majority
follow
will
procedure.
decide, not you. It is not your decision. You can question, you can complain. That is all right. You can't take decision.
Anybody from Malpani group? You are from Malpani, right? Okay. Please come and sign. Keep signing. पता नहीं sign करिए ना तीनों. Okay. You're going with my all you said, not only yours.
Okay, others also.
Others all, because tomorrow you should not come up कि नहीं ठीक है ऐसा पाया था वो था ये था manipulation that's not happen. Sign each other's. इसमें से कोई अंदर tagged again.
नहीं वो चूहा खा जाता है.
डाल दो डेट डाल दो हाँ सब पे करना है साइन ईच अदर साइन करना हाँ साइन कर दीजिए लिख दो ना सब कंपनी ना Now please pay attention. Pay attention. We will tell you, but here. Now, while these wraps of developers, again we are committed to maintain complete transparency. Now the bidders claim that they have submitted demand drafts. We argue that they have deposited the checks. Now this needs to be established. If all of Mr. Sethi, please. Now I request your consent with a condition that in case we open its tender and as per them they have submitted the DD, we establish from the bank that they have submitted DD. Then they participate or their tender is to be considered. If it is found that the check has been deposited in the bank, we do not consider their bid. Is that okay? Is that okay with all of you? Please raise hands. Who? मैं हिंदी में बता देता हूँ. Mrs. House of Hirandani. Okay. So there are two now. There is a bit confusion. Earlier it was Hirandani Constructions. Now you are part of that, or you are some different identity. Surendra Hirandani. Okay. Now two brothers, right? तो मैं आपसे क्या बोल रहा हूँ सुनिए मिस्टर सिंह प्लीज लिसन टू मी वी आर रिसीव्ड द टेंडर्स यहाँ पे लिखा गया है चेक लेकिन बिल्डर्स के रैप दिखा रहे हैं कि उन्होंने डीडी जमा किया है ये कहाँ से पता चलेगा फ्रॉम द बैंक वी फाइंड आउट दो वी ओपन द टेंडर विद द कंडीशन इफ वी आर एबल टू एस्टैब्लिश अगर हम ये प्रमाणित कर पाते हैं कि इनके हमारे पास डीडी आए हुए हैं एज अ कॉस्ट ऑफ टेंडर ऑल्सो एज अ ईएमडी देन वी कंसिडर द टेंडर्स इफ इट इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड कि दे हैव डिपॉजिटेड चेक्स देन वी रिजेक्ट देयर बिड्स इज दैट ओके इज दैट ओके नहीं यस और नो वो नहीं आई डोंट वांट एक्सप्लेनेशन प्लीज से यस और नो नो लीगल आई विल टेक इट that I will take legal take. You please, you give me your opinion. Legal I will take. Please raise hands. जिसको लग रहा है कि ऐसा करना चाहिए, please raise hands. ओके, देख लिया आपने, ले लिया? ओके, नाउ who are unwilling, please raise your hands. You are unwilling? No, no, सुनिए, tomorrow, सुनो मिस्टर सुधीर, if it is established tomorrow, if it is established that they are deposited DD, then what do we do? Then they go to court. See, this is a provision we ask them. It is that undertaking is not an official document. Please understand that. Mr. Saurav, is that hello, Mr. Saurav, is that undertaking? Is that a formal thing or informal thing? Does it have any relevance? We are just reconfirmed.
Then why did you send? Why did you send?
We just send it to reconfirm it.
No, once you have sent it, it becomes a society document.
Now, okay, point taken. Now you tell me legal opinion. Huh? Please say that. Now legal opinion. मैंने दो आपको ऑप्शन दिए हैं. If we find in the bank they are deposited DD, then they are eligible. Otherwise, their tenders will not be considered. No, it still can be done. क्या चीज? हाँ. It could be there is error. There is error on society's part. I admit there is error on society's part. But for which? हाँ, पैसा आ गया. Please give your opinion, expert opinion.
Hello.
Please do not advocate for somebody. You also. Let us
What is this advocating?
put down each other.
Nobody is advocating for anybody. But you are wasting time here for
society for ranks up. नहीं.
हमारा
You
दूसरा
know,
meeting.
little soft heart for somebody. Somebody has a little soft heart for
We
somebody.
are not telling
That will not
anybody
do.
that he has deposited
वो
this
नहीं
or
चलेगा
that.
यहाँ पे.
It's our mistake if we have not shown it to public what is not deposited. What is how it was
Why should you advocate for? Why should you advocate for somebody?
Nobody is advocating for anybody. Nobody is advocating.
people
You
cannot
will not
decide
accept that you have not displayed it.
It is
You
what?
should have displayed it.
What?
Everybody would have not.
It has been referred to everybody. It has not been sent to everyone.
You have to maintain transparency. The moment you had a SGM, you should
Nobody
have
is taking
put a
anybody's
website,
side
made a
here.
website. Today you are talking
That
about
is
it.
obvious.
Basically, you have been manipulating the whole system. Right
Hello.
from the-
That may be
Right
your
from the day
perception, but we are not doing anything
You
on
have
that.
been manipulating.
This was not shared with you.
Including the
ये किसी को
PMC
मेल पे नहीं गया था सबको.
You all think
WhatsApp
30
मेल पे
years
नहीं गया था ग्रुप में.
this is remaining.
Everything is gone. बताइए. हाँ, बोला अगर कंडीशन अंदर है तो you please tell them. सुनिए एक मिनट. Sir, this is spoiling. I am telling you. We have formed two groups which are dangerous. Both the groups are dangerous. Why? No, you are hijacking. You are hijacking the interest of society. Two groups. ये एक दूसरे को ना बंदर बांट में ना तीसरा ही फायदा उठा जाता है इसका. प्लीज
जिनके पास system है.
बताइए. हाँ मैं बैठा हूँ.
They can't dictate.
You cannot. Nobody can dictate. SDM who will take a call.
Hello. Hello.
Take their view.
I'm sorry to say that today I have another meeting, SGM. So I have to go and we are already late. So my request is that hello. My request is that kindly consider my brief view on this particular tender document. This tender document was prepared long back before it was floated and invited. In that, the draft was prepared by PMC. It came to us, to society. They sought my view on that. We took some time. We had deliberated. We have discussed with PMC. And finally, with the society management, knowing fully well that there is no lease deed renewed. FNHP also have no lease deed in their favor, neither of the ABC society. All three ABC societies were infighting and all that. In these circumstances, this redevelopment process was initiated. So when it was initiated, PMC is appointed and the tender document draft is available. I had no option but to go by their already decided steps. some feasibility report and everything was done. So then I have put a condition that whoever is bidding, he has to bid with a full knowledge that the society has no lease deed renewed in their favor, or it's a expired lease in favor of FNHB. So the whoever is bidder bidding with all commercial, technical, everything, he has to take into consideration that he shall ensure that he will take the lease deed, he will get the lease deed renewed in favor of society or FNHP, whatever, and thereafter the building will be redeveloped by him at his own expenses. With that undertaking, he has put the bid, and therefore all terms and conditions, whatever that it put in the bid, it is obviously they are bound, and they have to ensure that the lease is renewed. Otherwise, the building cannot be redeveloped. So it will be at their cost and expenses. So with that representation from the society, the builder has given their bids, and society has represented well in advance that we have no lease deed currently in our favor. It is expired and it is yet to be renewed. It may be renewed in favor of society or it may be in favor of the FNHB. So with that undertaking, with that terms and conditions, that bids have been invited and bids are before you. Now the commercials and technicals, all that will be done after known after this opening. So kindly consider accordingly. Whatever communication over and above this, just to clear their doubt informally, if they have sent that lease is not renewed, despite that whether you would like to bid, then they said yes, we can, whatever it is, that is different. But they are bound to accept these bids when they are open. It is binding on both the parties, society as well as the bidders. That's all.
I have a question. You are a society advocate. One question, simple. When we don't have lease or we have NOC from FNHB and MADA, can society call an SGM for redevelopment? Can
No,
society
it is the society's prerogative. All that stage is over, and it was only a documentation stage. No. I am not. I am.
Can society call an SGM when you don't have clear land split? Can society go in for an
With full representation with this that key, there is no lease deed, and despite, yes, they can do it. That they can do it. Let the MADA and FNHP to take the call. All tenders are invited by public invitation through the notice. All tenders, whoever has been submitted, and all bids, they are qualified or not qualified. That will be known later on whether, but the bids has to be opened and everyone has to be, they are present and it is required to be open. No. The cover, the sealed cover inside the tender itself has the undertaking with that what it has. It has.
So now, I hope things are clear to everybody. Again, reiterating that no partialism or something will be done by the management committee at least. And all of you are sitting here, if you feel something is being done wrong, you are free. Again, we'll meet once the bids are open. We'll go through a comparative statement will be prepared. All the do's, don'ts, whether they agree, don't agree, everything will be listed down. If you feel this is not in line, we can still reject it. We have the authority. We have mentioned where bids are not in line, will be rejected. And that we have put the condition in this case also, have you noted? To the house of Hirannani, there are two conditions. One is that their DD or checks needs to be established. If they are checks, they are qualified. If their checks are not existing, then they are disqualified.
Suppose they are banker's check. Let them
Banker's check is
accept it.
accepted. It is a banker's check is accepted. check and banker's check is a difference. And you gentlemen, जब भी किसी के आते हैं ना डीडी वीडी, यू शुड हैव टेकन सबका जेरोक्स लेके उसका एक कॉपी उसमें लगा देनी चाहिए थी अपने को. यू आर सो कैजुअल. अभी आप ढूंढ रहे हो क्या इसमें लिख दिया चेक. अगर इसमें डीडी मिल गया ना देन यू हैड इट. तो भाई चेक यहाँ पे चेक क्यों लिखा, मैनेजर चेक क्यों नहीं लिखा यहाँ पे मैनेजर चेक क्यों नहीं लिखा. अरे छोड़िए, इसमें मैनेजर चेक, अगर मैनेजर चेक था ना एज पर यू, ठीक है. सो नाउ अगेन आई सीक योर कंसेंट. इज दिस कंडीशन acceptable to you all of two? How many is this condition acceptable? Once again, please raise hands. Please raise hands. Pay attention please. माम साहब प्लीज सुनिए ना, बोलते जा रहे हैं आप लोग, यू आर बिजी. ये जो कंडीशन मैंने बोली है इसको आर यू विलिंग से यस. प्लीज रेज हैंड्स. जो मैंने जो बोला है आपको जब से बोल रहा हूं, इज दैट ओके मिस्टर सेठी? Okay, now all applicable to all, not to only you. Whoever is found their checks are they will be disqualified. Okay. Now all those who are unwilling or they don't support this, please raise your hands. Dissent is okay. So with these two conditions, if they are met, is that okay? If the deed is found, then वो ठीक है. What I should have done, that is okay. That I'm a culprit. You forgot that. Okay, ठीक है. So that is my mistake, not their mistake. All right. So ठीक है. Now should we proceed further? Need your permission to go ahead with opening of tenders. All those who are willing, please raise hands. आप जरा ना इधर उठा रहे हैं ना उधर उठा रहे हैं. समवेयर यू हैव टू रेज योर हैंड्स. कहीं तो उठाइए, या तो हाँ या ना. यू आप तो यू से नो अगेन. नो नो ठीक है, छोड़िए. रेज हैंड्स. ऑल दोज हु वांट्स टू ओपन द बिड्स, प्लीज गिव अ कंसेंट. हेलो पीछे निर्भय, वे आर यू लॉस्ट यार. सब प्लीज टेक रिकॉर्डिंग. रेज हैंड्स. नाइन्टी 90% नहीं, 100 मतलब मोर देन दैट. ठीक है. अब देखिए कल क्या होगा, nobody knows. So let us not jump the gun. We will wait for that. What will happen is secondary. Now what is happening now? Oh, let it get delayed. Let it not go ahead only. But अभी से क्यों? Why we should be think on those lines? ठीक है. Now should be. क्या? Today that is not the agenda, but that we will meet again. For that we will meet again because nothing has come from MHADA. No minutes have come till date. So we will talk on this once the minutes are received. Message is something. Till that time it comes in black and white, we should not. No, that is not agenda, please. So we go ahead. We go ahead. Advocates, we go ahead with the opening of bids. Please, three of you, any three, I will request, please come and open the tenders. All three, any three. All four senior citizen. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Who is next? नीचे से नहीं बोल रहा, ऊपर से बोल रहा हूं मैं. बोलाओ, कैंची वेंची लाओ. संजय, ए संजय.
ये भी खोलना है क्या?
सब खोल ले, खोलिए, एक एक खोल लीजिए सब. ये भी खोल ले. खोला है बार भूल गया.
ये निकालना है क्या?
मैनेजर को बुलाइए. जिसका है वही रहने दीजिए.
कुछ नहीं. 1 2 3 4 हो गए ना. निकालना नहीं है.
खुलने का 2 सर. जहाँ है वही रखना था. जिसका है उसी के ऊपर रख दीजिए, कवर के ऊपर. जिसका कवर था,
जिसका जो कवर था उसका
एक ही कवर अलग अलग का है, उसके ऊपर रख दीजिए.
इसको निकालना है क्या?
जिसका है उसके ऊपर रख दीजिए. आप साइड में हो जाओ यार, हम कर लेंगे. आप साइड में जाइए. आपको रिकॉर्ड करना है, जो कर लो, करना है.
एक मिनट.
उसके ऊपर ही रख देना सर.
नहीं बाकी बोलो मत फाइनेंस
कैसी ले लो, कैसी.
रिकॉर्ड कर.
है आपका बहुत बड़ा सबमिशन.
वही तो दे दिया. It is given. It is here. Very much demand draft. It is a demand draft, sir. Demand draft. It is there.
इसका फोटो लो यार भैया, इसको आए दो.
It's with the undertaking that you want.
इधर लीजिए. एक मिनट ये शूटिंग है.
जो है उसका तो कंपैरिजन
अभी होगा ना, अभी बताएं. He will tell now.
I will read, then I will request the candidate to share me the xerox copies.
10 पेपर ले हैं.
अभी टेंडर खुलेंगे, उस पर से बेसिक एडिशनल एरिया, रेंट, कॉर्पस, शिफ्टिंग, पार्किंग ये पढ़ेंगे. रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है तो मैं चेंज तो नहीं कर सकता. ओरिजिनल सब आपके पास रहेंगे. सोसाइटी को रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा मेरे को जेरोक्स दे.
बिल्कुल सही है. ठीक
ऑफर देखा
ठीक है. इधर है ना पेपर. नहीं है पेन भी है, पेपर भी है.
Mentioned here only. इसके अंदर ही लिखा होगा. ये टेक्निकल चीजें हो गई.
So there will be only 6 or 7 parameters that will be read. Additional area, corpus, rent, parking, shifting and brokerage. Rest all originals will be in the society's custody. I will request the society to send only the Xerox copies of the submissions. All originals will be in the society premises only. We would not like to have any originals to be sent to our offices. Okay?
I have a doubt. Is there anybody has noted any deviations from the tender documents?
Sir, that will be analyzed at a later stage. Today it will be only reading of the commercial offer. In-depth analysis will be done at a later stage. So the first condition that we had said that 15 lakhs demand draft has to be submitted with the tender document. So I am reading the offer of House of Hiranandani. So if people are making some notes, I am starting with the reading of the offer. So they have submitted a demand draft of 15 lakhs rupees. It's in the name of Pawai Jalvayu Vihar Type C Cooperative Housing Society. I am keeping this DD with the society so that society can keep it on record. This is a demand draft submitted by the society, by the developer. Sorry, sir. EMD. So as per the tender condition, 15 lakhs were to be given as an EMD, and the EMD. Sorry. It's an EMD amount of 15 lakhs which they have submitted along with the tender bill. It is of 15 lakhs rupees submitted in the form of demand draft. I am. Sir, आइए आगे आइए प्लीज क्या है वो. So as I said, I am reading the basic information of their submissions. Carpet area for the residential members. They have said 50% extra MOFA area over existing carpet area. So the total is 805. So 805 फुट वो ऑफर कर रहे हैं in totality 805 square feet, 50% additional area on existing carpet area MOFA. Stamp duty they have said yes. GST they have said yes. They are giving a corpus fund of rupees 4,000 per square feet. I am repeating, it is 4,000 rupees per square feet. They are offering a rent of 150 rupees for the first year, 165 for the second year, 182 for the third year. Rent beyond 36 months, they have said that it will be 200 rupees. I am repeating it, it is 150 for the first, 165 for the second, 182 for the third, and 200 rupees after 36 months. No, rent is on the existing carpet area. It is not on the proposed area. 850 is the proposed area, so whatever existing area you are having, your corpus and rent will be based on that area. Sorry, 805. Schedule of payment of the rent, they have said yearly. Brokerage, they have said 1 month of first year rental. So they are offering brokerage only for 1 year. Am I right? Do I understand that? So it is 1 month only, as so you are giving it every year or 1 month. So it is a one-time brokerage that they are offering for the entire period of redevelopment. Shifting, it is 75,000 per flat. So shifting amount is total to and fro 75,000. Bank guarantee you are offering is 58 crores. They are offering a bank guarantee of 58 crores. Car park they have said can be discussed. Completion time period they are expecting 4.5 years. So I am reading the offer once again. 805 MOFA area, that is 50% additional area. Stamp duty they are ready to pay. GST they are ready to pay. Corpus that they are offering is rupees 4,000 per square feet on their existing carpet area. 50% payable at a time of vacation, 50% on balance. Rent is 150 rupees for the first year, 165 for the second year, 182 for the third year. Beyond 36 months, they are offering rupees 200 per square feet. Yearly payment will be done. Brokerage is 1 month, shifting is rupees 75,000, bank guarantee of rupees 58 crores. Parking, they have said that it will be discussed. Is the offer clear? Okay, can I read the next offer? Should I repeat again? Any points pending?
Parking
So that will be clarified, sir, at a later stage. We will raise these questions. Whatever questions we have, that will be addressed to them and that will be replied by them.
Will it be 100% parking or again will be?
Sir, let us officially take. Ma'am Sahab, we will put it on record. We will address an email to them. Society will be kept in the loop and they will address to that query. Done. Thank you. Any queries we have, एक second. Any queries we have, we will be addressing to the developers. Society will be kept in loop and the developers will revert back. Sir, बोलिए. Lease deed, the tender has been signed by them, acknowledged and ये टेंडर डॉक्यूमेंट है जो उन्होंने साइन और स्टैम्प करके रिटर्न किया है. ये टेंडर में वो कंडीशन है कि लीज डीड डिमार्केशन उनको करना है उनके कॉस्ट पे, which has been signed and stamped and returned to us. It means they are acknowledging the same. This is a hard copy of the tender document returned back to us, signed and stamped. The next developer that we are opening is Kolte Patil. This is not open, but I am opening it. Is it fine if I open it? Thank you. So the next tender that we are opening is Kolte Patil. They have submitted the demand draft. ये आपका ही है? सर ये मालपानी का है सर. कोल्टे पाटिल का किधर है? सर मैं कोल्टे पाटिल की बात कर रहा हूँ. कोल्टे पाटिल इधर आएगा. कहाँ से कटे काटता है? ₹15 lakhs EMD in form of demand draft. It has been submitted. I am reading the offer of Kolte Patil. 950 square feet MOFA area. Stamp duty registration agreed. Compensation of 12.5 lakhs rupees per member. Rent ₹60,000 per month with a 5% escalation every 12 months. Initial 3 months rent at a time of LOE. We will provide monthly rent on PDC and EFT basis from 4 months. So they are giving a quarterly advance rent. Brokerage will be 10,000. Shifting will be 50,000 total, 25,000. They are giving a bank guarantee of 7 crores with a RERA carpet area of additional 3,000 square feet marked as LIN. They are providing 2 car parks to each member. Tentative time period is 36 months to 42 months. I am reading the offer one again. It is 950 MOFA carpet area, 12.5 lakhs rupees corpus, 60,000 rupees rent, 10,000 rupees brokerage, 50,000 rupees shifting that includes to and fro, 7 crore rupees bank guarantee and a 3,000 square feet lean area and 2 car parks per member. Is it okay? Any questions on this? Thank you. Sorry? No, I have requested them to keep it very separately in a sealed envelope. This is Malpani. No, Golte Patil, I have kept it aside. So demand draft has been submitted by Malpani Group. The offer that they have offered is 15 lakhs here. 966 Mofa area, 2,500 rupees corpus, 130 rupees rent with an escalation of 5% every year. So 130 for the first year, 136 for the second year, 143 for the third year. Half yearly they are going to pay rent, which will be transferred online. Shifting charge 75,000, 1 month brokerage. Total time period for the project is 3.5 years. 1 car park to each member. Second car park can be discussed in a further process. Okay, I am reading the offer one again. It is 966 Mofa carpet area, 2,500 rupees corpus. First year rent 130, second year rent 136, third year rent 143. Rent will be paid half yearly. 1 month rent as a brokerage. Shifting will be 75,000 rupees. 1 car park per member, second car park will be discussed. Bank guarantee will be provided as per the terms and conditions mentioned in the tender document. And the total time frame is 3.5 years. Are we good to go? Any questions on this? Malpani Group. They have submitted a demand draft of 15 lakhs. This is Evita Constructions Private Limited. So I am reading their offer. Sorry? Sir, we don't know. The name of the company is Evita. Can I read the offer? Thank you. It is 85% additional area on existing carpet area. Stamp duty yes. GST yes. 2,500 rupees corpus. 125 rupees rent with a 5% escalation every year. That is 125 for the first year, 131 for the second year, 138 for the third year. Rent for the entire first year will be paid in advance and the rest will be PDCs. Shifting charge total of 50,000. Bank guarantee for the amount up to the construction cost of the members carpet area. The said BG will be on a reducing basis proportionate to the area constructed and will be adjusted. I am reading the offer once again. 85% additional area on existing carpet area. So that will be clarified. I don't know what 85% means. 500 के ऊपर 85 या मेरे को existing carpet पे 85 है. Now that has to be clarified whether it is Mofa or RERA. Mofa की RERA है? नहीं मालूम है. ठीक है. Clarity ले लेंगे. 85% additional area on existing carpet area. 2,500 rupees corpus. 125 rupees rent. For the first year, 131 for the second year, 138 for the third year. Advance rent for the first year, rest is PDC, 1 month brokerage one time, 50,000 rupees shifting charge, car park as per Mahana norms, and bank guarantee up to the cost of construction of the members area. Any questions on the offer? One second, let me complete the offer. 36 plus 6 months is what they are proposing for the time frame. Okay, sir's question is, what is the difference between a MOFA area and what is the RERA area? If you draw a square, any area that is within that square is a RERA area. If you draw a square and if you construct walls, and any area excluding those walls is a MOFA area. So outer limit, area within that outer limit, entire including walls is your RERA area. Excluding walls is your MOFA area. So MOFA area is a usable carpet where you can spread your carpet. So this is the difference between MOFA and the RERA. In calculation, if someone has proposed you 100 MOFA, technically it ranges between 4 to 5%. So RERA area will be 104 or 105. It is a range between 4% to 5% more. The areas of the walls approximately account to roughly 4 to 5% more. Any questions? Thank you. I will request the MC to send me the copies of the offers for us to start working on the comparative analysis. Let the originals be with the society's end. We request you to submit us the Xerox copies only, and then we will start preparing the comparative analysis. Thank you.
Your attention please. Your attention please at last. घर जाके कर लेना ना यार बात पे. So मोटा मोटी आपने देख लिया, you heard, वो मिलेगा क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा तो भगवान ही जाने, but let's anticipate, let's pray that we succeed in doing so with all your support, 100% support. Now maybe one or two members, they are opposing it, लेकिन if you see in totality, let me, I am coming, मेरे को थोड़ा बोलने तो दो. बिल्कुल अभी मीटिंग बनेगी. So once again, I seek your advice, oblique permission, oblique consent. जो हो रहा है वो ठीक हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो प्लीज स्टिल यू कैन कम अप. जो भी एक सेकेंड जो भी प्रोसीजर फॉलो हुआ है, मिस्टर सुधीर, whatever procedure has been followed, has there been a complete transparency or you still feel there is something missing out of it? And we have taken shortcuts. Any member who has reservations for this procedure being followed, anybody, your queries will be answered. Let us take a consent of, is everybody willing to go for it? Are you happy till now what has gone, what has been done? Any reservations on this? I'm talking not doubts, I'm talking reservations. Doubts are secondary. Any reservations कि ये गलत हो रहा है, गलत है, सही है? Legal is sitting there. Legal will come later on. So, are you all satisfied with this process of redevelopment progressing? Please raise hands if you are satisfied with this. If nobody is satisfied, they also can raise hand. Although you are satisfied with the process of being followed, please raise hands. Your hand is not going up. हाँ, वो ठीक है. We will listen to that. Now, whoever is नीचे करिए. Whoever is not satisfied with this procedure may also raise hand. With the procedure. ठीक है, वो उनका हाथ कहीं नहीं है, ठीक है. So one gentleman, he is, if you could raise your hand again, so let's take consent. Huh? Now I request you to give your consent one by one whether you are satisfied with the process. Starting from the senior most member. I'm just putting it across you. Give your consent. जो कहना है कहिए आप. Short में कहिए whether you are satisfied or not satisfied.
The procedure has been followed very legally and correctly, and I am fully satisfied with the process going on. May God help us.
रोकिए कहाँ जा रहे हैं? वो बोलेंगे अभी. अरे करने दीजिए. बराती तो दूल्हा तो यही, हम तो बराती हैं. Cool down पहले. So I think we cut short and we convey. 1 minute please. Can your attention please. Please madam. Hello madam, 1 second. Now we convey our thanks to the builders representative who have come all the way and cleared some of the doubts. They were present here so that tomorrow they don't say कि नहीं हमारा ऐसा था, हमारा वैसा था, something of that, no hera-pheri. Things have been kept very, very, very clear, been witnessed by you. So before you leave, kindly leave your contact numbers or cards with the society manager so that we keep a record of this. बोलिए. नहीं एजेंडा वाला नहीं सर, वही सर. So with this we come to the end of this special general body meeting or emergency special general body meeting, and now I request the chairman to say a few words and conclude the meeting. We also convey our thanks and deepest regards to our legal advisor, Mr. Nara Singh Mahela. He has been with us, and our assistant, Ms. Suchitra, she has been toiling hard. So she is here all the way. So thanks both of you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, to PMC, builders and our advocates and members for your support. Thank you very much. Thanks.
मेरे को कॉपीज करके भेज देना. आपका रेडी है तो तैयार करके मैं आपको. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thanks, Saurabh.
Sorry for all the things.
Happens. Thank you, sir.
I am very.
Thank you. Take care. Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much.
रिफ्रेशमेंट के चक्कर में जल्दी करने का मतलब ये था कि
थैंक यू सो मच. वेल